In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add images to your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or a newcomer to Google Slides, inserting images is a straightforward process that enhances the visual appeal and impact of your slides. Let's dive into the steps together so you'll have all you need to make your presentations shine. First things first, open your presentation by navigating to Google Slides. If you don't have a presentation open yet, just find the project you're working on and launch it in Google Slides. Once you have your presentation open, the next step is to choose the specific slide where you'd like to add your image. This is important because the image will be inserted onto whichever slide is currently selected. Now, to insert an image, you have a couple of options. The first method is to use the Insert menu. At the top of your screen, click on Insert, and then select Image. The second method is even more convenient. You can use the image icon right in the toolbar. Clicking this icon will present the same set of options as the Insert menu. Once you've decided how to open the image selection options, it's time to choose your image source. Here, Google Slides gives you flexibility. If you have a specific image file saved on your computer, select Upload from Computer and navigate to the file you wish to use. Alternatively, you might want to search for images on the web. Simply select Search the Web, and Google Images will help find what you need. For those who store their images online, Google Drive and Photos integration allows seamless insertion of your stored digital content. You can also insert images via URL by pasting the direct link to the image, or perhaps you want a live image from your device's camera. Google Slides can handle that by giving you the option to snap a picture right then and there. Once you've selected your image source and found the perfect picture, the image will promptly appear on your selected slide. From here, you can customize its placement and appearance to fit your needs. To move the image, simply click on it and drag it to your desired location within the slide. Resizing is just as simple. Click and drag the blue squares at the corners or edges of the image to adjust its size without losing proportions. For a more tailored look, use the crop tool located in your toolbar. Click the crop button or the drop-down arrow next to it, and pick a shape to either crop or mask your image for a creative effect. Additionally, you can layer images, arranging them in a specific order or adjusting their transparency for dynamic visuals. This can be done through the Arrange menu, giving you control over the composition. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to inserting and customizing images in your Google Slides presentations. With this knowledge, you can make your slides more engaging and visually stimulating. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting!